Hello guys, it's my first vlog on YouTube and hope you guys like it. हिजो न्यू इयरको दिन म चाहिँ यत्तिकै बस्नुपुरमा हिँडिरहेको थिएँ. I don't have any plan and I just got up and I just walked to the area and there was some I think Newari Jatra अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ बाजाहरू बजाइरहेको थियो. अनि त्यसपछि म पनि त्यहाँ गएँ हेरेँ अनि and that's how I celebrated my new year. And I saw a girl, little girl, his father carrying her on its shoulder, and I feel like, oh wow, that's how our Father does for us. This scene reminded me of something that our Father does everything for us. Every time I was just watching her, म घरमा यत्तिकै बसिरहेको थिएँ कि अनि त्यसपछि I was feeling literally frustrated or feeling bored अनि त्यसपछि उठेँ अनि त्यसपछि I just changed my dress अनि गएँ हिँड्दै गएँ यत्तिकै हिँडिरहेको बेला बसन्तपुरमा जात्रा भइरहेको रहेछ हेरेँ अनि I was really happy. I was just dancing and I was all alone होइन म चाहिँ एक्लै गएको थिएँ अरू त मान्छे थुप्रै थियो नि I didn't feel same. I didn't feel bad or sad or nothing के I was happy and उनीहरू पनि त्यहाँबाट उतै असमतिर गए अनि म पनि त्यहाँबाट फर्केँ एकछिनपछि त्यहाँ मन्दिरमा ढोगेँ अनि त्यसपछि म पनि यता हेर्दाखेरि अनि I just saw him and I just recorded. त्यसपछि चाहिँ म इन्द्रचोक गएँ अनि चोकमा एउटा गेम खेलाइरहेको रहेछ and I just played. अनि एउटा बहिनी पनि सँगै थियो त्यो बहिनी र मैले सँगै एउटा गेम खेल्यौँ अनि हामीले जितेको थिएनौँ तैपनि लास्ट भएको भएर हामीलाई गिफ्ट दिनुभयो.